part of al-istiqamah is to be observant and aware of Allah watching you. Ya akhi, when you sit, whether in day or night, and you watch pornography, or shaitan comes and says, astaghfirullah, pornography haram. Nude picture is okay. And sometimes, if you're strong in iman, astaghfirullah, nude pictures is haram. Model pictures is okay. Haram. Small clips, you know, funny reels. This is how shaitan starts, step by step. Watch a movie clip. Innocent, nothing haram. A little bit further, maybe some nudity. A little bit further, a lot of nudity. A little bit further, pornography. A little bit further, you're addicted. If you knew that Allah is all hearing, all seeing, Allah is watching with you, would you watch? But you are sealed. Your heart is sealed, is covered. You don't ever remember that Allah is watching me. Allah is hearing what I'm hearing. So this means that you have to go back to stage and to square one, where you study the beautiful names of Allah, to know that Allah is As-Sami', Al-Basir, Al-Raqib, Al-Hasib, Al-Muqit. All of these tell you that Allah is watching you, Allah is holding you to account. This would help you. Whether you do it in the day or in the night, it doesn't make a difference. Now, how to stop it? Get rid of your your smartphone. This is one of the means that take you to hell. iPad, laptops, computers, get rid of them. Sheikh, I have to do work, I have to do school. No problem. Use a PC with a big screen and put the screen in the living room, not facing the wall, facing everybody else. So when you sit to work, the screen is facing everybody, everybody can see. Oh, Sheikh, but maybe something will come and maybe I will see something that is inappropriate. That's good. Now you will stop. But when you keep hiding, you put secret codes and PIN codes and protection and hide everything. Why? Because people will find it and see it. But Allah knows about it. It's okay. Allah knows about it. It's okay. But I don't want my father and my mother to know. I don't want my imam of the masjid to know. Then you have a serious problem in your aqeedah, in your iman, and this is why you're not on the straight path of al-istiqamah. May Allah Azza wa Jal protect us all.